Hi guys! Welcome to Jekotech TV! Smile ka muna dyan! Okay guys, let's go! Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel! And this time, I will teach you how to repair your computer or desktop. Most of the time guys, the problem of our computer is no display, and sometimes you can hear the sounds beep 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 beep. In that case, 99% the problem of your computer is the memory. Maybe, and sometimes, and most of the time, our memory becomes dirty and some corrosions in our memory card. So in this case, you don't need any expert technician or technician. You can do it by yourself. All you need to do is your ability and your strength. And you need a Phillips screw. And also you need eraser. Okay guys, now let's begin. But before that guys, please click subscribe button and also the bell button. And also share and like. Okay guys, if you are ready, okay, turn off your computer and then open the cover of your CPU or your processing unit. Okay, and then after you open the cover, you will see your motherboard. So this is the motherboard of a computer. Okay, and very easy to find your memory card. So this is our memory card. Okay, so sometimes you can see two memory card and sometimes you can see only one memory card. Okay, so let's start. So how to repair your computer? Okay, just remove your memory card by unlock the lock. Okay, push down gently and also in the other end. Okay, and pull out your memory card. So this is your memory card guys, and now you can use your eraser. So you have to erase all the dirt in your memory card. Okay, this is gold plated guys, so you have to clean all the dirt and sometimes the corrosion. Okay, you have to clean gently using your eraser. Okay, clean it very well. Okay, after that you can use your fingers to remove the excess of the eraser, and then make it sure the gold plated is shiny. Okay, it must be very shiny. It indicates the contact is already clean. And then also the other side, you have to clean. Okay, clean it very well, remove the corrosion and also the dirt. Okay, so after that, check, be sure that the contact is shining, the gold plated. Okay, if you are sure, then put it back, the memory card in the slot. Okay, but be sure guys, a reminder, be sure you put the memory card back in the proper place. Okay, we have here a guide, and also in the slot we have here the guide, so you cannot be mistaken. Okay, so let's put it back. Okay, and then push down gently to be locked. Okay, in that case, okay, we have wrong. Okay, that's why, because of the slot. So you can, that case, you can reverse the memory card and then push down. Okay, and the lock will automatically back to his position or in their position. Okay, so you cannot remove the memory card. It means you properly installed the memory card. Okay guys, that's the best solution to our computer. No display and sometimes beep 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 sound. Okay, you're ready, back your memory card. Okay, okay, cover. Okay, put it back the cover of your CPU and then turn it on your computer, and 99% your computer will work again. Okay, thank you guys for your watching, and again, please subscribe button, click subscribe button, and also the bell button, and also please share and like. And thank you again for watching. Bye. Keep safe and may God bless us all.